At the end of the year faculty meeting, we had an animated discussion as a group about the new goal of increasing students' higher order thinking skills. When the science department convened as a group, we decided that we wanted to implement a new strategy that could be used in all science classes that would help encourage higher order thinking skills in science. After some research, we decided problem-based learning would meet our needs. As a result, we're proposing a way to use our professional development time this year to train the science teachers on how to develop and implement problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a strategy that, when designed and implemented well, can help to increase students' higher order thinking skills. While problem-based learning can take many forms, there are three key components that have been identified as critical to good problem-based learning activities. First, the teacher acts as a facilitator, not the giver of information. Second, the students are responsible for their learning. And third, the problems are ill-structured, meaning they have more than one possible solution. The key to the benefits of problem-based learning for students is the student focus on the task and their responsibility for learning the necessary information. There are many benefits of problem-based learning that have been studied and supported by researchers. Among those most important to us are improved critical thinking, reaching higher levels of understanding, and helping students retain what they have learned longer. Another reason why this particular strategy was chosen is its natural fit with the inquiry-based approach that has been a focus of the science department for the last few years. From our low-level courses up through the AP courses, problem-based learning can be used in addition to inquiry-based activities. Training the science department faculty will focus on using a 9-step method developed using research on best practices for successful design and implementation of problem-based learning lessons. The science teachers will work as a group and with partners to develop and teach a problem-based learning lesson each semester. Time for collaboration between co-teachers on the design and implementation of their lesson will be necessary, along with time for the evaluation of the lesson once completed. This method for training is supported by research that shows a faculty with established collaborative character will benefit from this extended opportunity to develop and review teaching practices. The training will take place during the building level in-service day in August, before the start of the school year. This will give the teachers half a day to learn about the structure of PBL and the process for developing strong PBL activities. Then, during the second half of that day, the teachers will work together to create their first problem-based learning lesson. Some of the department time each month will be dedicated to ongoing collaboration between co-teachers and the rest of the department, and for the evaluation of problem-based learning lessons already completed. Once we have your approval, a presentation for the science faculty will need to be created to teach them about problem-based learning and how to develop problem-based learning activities. An agenda for both the full day in-service in August and the department time used will be submitted to the administration as required. In addition to this video, you will find resources and further explanation of problem-based learning and the professional development methods proposed. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.